Ants are pretty wild with their complex life cycles that can teach us a lot about nature. We are bighomeprojects.com, your go-to website directory for trusted contractors and job opportunities. And here are the stages of an ant's life cycle explained simply. Number 1. The first stage kicks off with eggs, where the queen lays tiny white eggs in the nest. These delicate little things need a stable environment to grow, and depending on the species, a queen can lay thousands of them. Number 2. Once the eggs hatch, they become larvae that look like tiny worms. During this stage, they rely on worker ants for food and care, and they can actually communicate their needs using pheromones. Pretty cool, right? Number 3. After the larvae stage, ants enter the pupa stage where the real magic happens. They undergo metamorphosis, reorganizing their bodies into adult forms, which can take about 1 to 2 weeks depending on the species. Number 4. Finally, we get to the adult stage when fully formed ants emerge. These adults have specific roles in the colony, workers, queens, or males, and each contributes to the colony's success in different ways. Number 5. Worker ants are the backbone of the colony, responsible for foraging and caring for larvae. They communicate and coordinate tasks through pheromones, making teamwork essential for survival. Number 6. Queens focus primarily on reproduction, laying thousands of eggs throughout their lives while workers take care of everything else. Their ability to store sperm after mating lets them keep laying eggs long after their nuptial flight. Number 7. Male ants exist solely to mate with queens and typically die shortly after. Their role is brief but critical for ensuring genetic diversity within ant populations. If you're planning any home projects that involve nature, understanding these stages can help you create an environment that supports local wildlife. Ants are fascinating creatures, and by understanding their life cycle, we can appreciate the intricate balance of ecosystems and the importance of preserving their habitats. Check out bighomeprojects.com for more on how to make your projects more eco-friendly.